Assalamu alaikum. I'm from Darul Arqam School, Banigala campus. This is your science period. Welcome you all in online science class, grade 5th. This is your lecture number 4 and the topic of our lecture is life function. Students, as I have told you in the previous lecture about the life functions, there are 7 life functions that living things follow: movement, growth, food, respiration, waste, sensitivity, and reproduction. Movement use up energy. All animals and plants use energy to move. So this movement is called locomotion. Growth, growth, food means make food for animals do not make food for themselves and plants make food for themselves. Respiration means take breathe or take in oxygen. Waste, remove waste from blood. This process is called excretion. Sensitivity, feel danger. And reproduction, giving birth or make copy of themselves. Students, now open your workbook page number 29. On page number 29, mention date and day. Fill in the blanks to complete these sentences. All living things grow when they are. Growth slows down and stops or at some stages in dash. All living things move. Movement is called, I have told you a few seconds ago, that movement is called locomotion. It uses up energy. So where is the answer of these two blanks? So open your reader. So here is the growth. So all living things grow when they are young. In the first blank you have to write young. All young living things grow. And at some stages when they become adults they stop growing. So in the second blank you write adulthood. Okay. Now student, question number 2 is all living things need energy. How do the following living things get their energy? So Antlion, food. In the food, here is the on book page number 25 there is the picture of Antlion. The Antlion builds a trap for ants, so he gets energy from the ants by eating ants. Okay, so you write here get energy by eating ants. Rafflesia. Okay students, page number 26. Here is Rafflesia. Rafflesia is a plant, is a parasite. It does not have green leaves and cannot make its own food. It lives off the food made by the other plants. Okay, so you write here Rafflesia get energy from other plants. Rafflesia get energy from another plant. Apple tree. Okay students, on page number 25 here is the process by which a plant made their own food. This process is called photosynthesis. So the apple tree is made food for their itself, so it's get energy by photosynthesis. Shark, how shark get food? Look at this, fishes swallow their food whole on. Look at this big fish, they eat the small fishes or the sea creatures. So the shark get energy by eating other fish or sea creatures. Understand? Okay students, now Salman sorted some animals into two groups below according to their movement. Okay student, check out this. What do you think these criteria were? Label the circles. Whale, shark, seahorse, tiger, dog and horse. He made two groups. Whale, shark and seahorse, they can move. tiger, dog, and they can also move, but he make two groups. Why he make two groups? Because whale, shark, and seahorse are the sea creatures. They live in the water or sea. Tiger, dog, and horse, they live on the land. So the movement of the animal, I have told you that the movement of animal called locomotion. So this circle, we name this circle by aquatic locomotion, and this circle we call it land locomotion. Okay, because these are the land animals and these are the water animal, so we call it aquatic locomotion and land locomotion. Add these animals to the correct sorting circle. Zebra and goldfish, obviously we put goldfish in the aquatic locomotion and zebra into land locomotion. Understand? Now turn on the next page. Student, on this page there are the questions, short questions. Number 1, what is one important thing that plants can do but animals cannot? So the answer is plants makes their own food but animals cannot. So okay, understand? Number 2, why do animals move from one place to place? Why do animals move from one place to place? In the topic of movement, we read that animals move from one place to find food and water or to avoid danger. So you can copy the answer from the reader and you can write this: animals move from one place to another to find food and water and to avoid danger. Okay. How does a mosquito feed? How does a mosquito feed? So students, in the topic of food, here is a mosquito uses a sharp needle like mouth part to suck blood from humans and animals. Understand? So you write the answer here. Mosquitoes suck the blood from humans and animals. Understand? Okay, give an example of a plant that does not make food by photosynthesis. How does it get energy? So अभी आपने थोड़ी देर पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि रिफ्लेक्सिया इज़ अ parasite which does not make food by photosynthesis. It get food from other plants. So students, you have to do page number 29 and 30 in your workbook. Thank you.